Hello guys, today we will see how to create our own jumper wires for breadboard. These little jumper wires are readily available in the market. The problem with this, one, they are very lengthy, so if you put multiple wires across the breadboard, it will strangle like anything and you will not get clear visibility. And then they are expensive. Per pair cost around 5 rupees. But the good news is you can create your own jumpers for your breadboard using this AWG 23 single core wire. So you can cut those wires according to your requirement, and then you can sleeve out 0.9 millimeter, which is usually the depth of the breadboard hole. So they can easily fit into your breadboard, they don't strangle. And then this wire costs around 7 to 10 rupees per meter. You can create, I say, 10 or 15 from this AWG 23 single core per meter. And this, then you can save these small insulation bits for your components. You can use these sleeves so that they don't accidentally bump on each other and short circuit your equipment. So guys, get benefited from this do it your jumper wires. See you next time. Bye.